Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight. My hoe got talent.
Hello friends, it's Techie Avinash here. Maybe you are here because you are wondering if it is possible to make Facebook accounts hack. Well, I want to say that this method is extremely easy. You are creating a login page that looks exactly the same of the original Facebook page. So what you have to do here is actually not only about hacking Facebook accounts, you are actually hacking the human to make them login at your fake page, guys. This is social engineering, also known as human hacking. So, the tutorial of the phishing page is on the description down below. Also, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.